Hello, my name is Ai. Today I tell you the story Don's Hiccups. Don enters a competition. She watching on television. Hey, hey, hey! Don is nervous. Oh no, I can sing. I have hiccups. Don's mother gives her a scare surprise. Hey, hey! Don still has hiccups. Put your fingers in your ears. Suck on a slide of lemon. Hey, but Don still has hiccups. A nurse give Don a glass of water. Ring it upside down. Don's hiccups go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. The sings. Her song is beautiful. The crowd shouts and cheers.